Good morning, guys! Kakagising lang namin ni Sawyer. Tapos kumain ng breakfast. Ayan si Sawyer, kumakain ng breakfast. Ayan. Kumakain siya ng breakfast. What did you eat? What did you eat?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Sawyer, just stay there, okay?
What?
Mommy gonna go upstairs, okay? I have, huh?
Yes.
I have to check brother's room and Cece if they need to clean up their room.
What upstairs?
Don't be scared, I'm here. I'm upstairs, okay?
What upstairs?
Don't be scared, boy. So, akyat muna ako, guys. Kasi check ko lang yung room ni Shelton. Kasi 12 noon siya ngayon mag out sa school kasi nga mayroong conference, mayroong parents conference. Tapos kailangan kong i-check yung room niya kasi nga sasabihin na naman niya sa akin, "Oh, mommy, I wanna go out to play." And then pag hindi ko na papayagan, magagalit yun sa akin. So, agoy! Guys, yung room niya. Nakalimutan ko, meron pala siyang kahapon. Naglaro siya kahapon. Pinayagan ko. Kasi sabi niya malinis yung room, hindi ko na-check. Hindi pa niya tupi ang kanyang damit. Ayan. Isang basket ang tupiin. Agoy. Andito pa yung mga niya. Mga damit niya sa carpet. Hindi niya nagawa yung kanyang bed sheets. Agoy. Lagi ko itong inaayos, tapos ngayon na naman, inaayos ko na to, tapos ngayon, anya na naman. May marshmallow pa dyan. Yan, basura na naman. Mamaya lang. Kay Sawyer, ay, tingnan nyo naman, magulo na naman yung dalaga ko, be. Ayan. Hindi masyadong magulo sa dalaga ko, guys. Hindi masyadong magulo. May mga may mga konting babakyumin lang sa carpet. Ayan. May basura pa dito. May mga drinks pa. Agoy, itong dalaga ko talaga. Patayin natin yung ilaw nila. Yung bathroom, tanggalin ko yung towel kasi maglo-laundry ako. Ito lang yung mga to. Yan, kailangan nilang ilagay sa lagayan ng sabon. Yan, hindi masyadong marumi. Yan guys, yung aking lalabhan. Ayan, nalabhan ko yan. May nilagay na ako dito. So, aalisin ko to kasi lalabhan ko yung towels. Andito pa yung guys, yung kutsyon. Wala pang time sa asawa na itapon to siya. Wala kasi mangulikta dito guys. Kailangan mong bayaran. So, hindi ko alam kung magbabayad si asawa ng mag-hire si asawa ng kukuha nito, kutsyon na to, or mag-rent siya ng truck para itapon sa dumpster yung lumang kutsyon. Andito na si Shelton. Maglilinis na siya at magtutupiin ng kanyang damit. Kasi marami siyang lutupiin, Naghihintay na yung kanyang friend sa baba. Billet see? Oh no!
I'm fixing it. I just moved everything out of the way.
So I fixed that one before.
Yeah, and I fixed it right after I messed it up. So
Okay, do it
it's my
now.
fault. So I have to fix it.
You have to empty your trash. There's a lot of trash in there.
Okay.
I'll go downstairs. I have to give to Carter your other scooter. I don't know if it still work.
You want me to give it to him?
I have to go down. Meron din akong tutupiin, guys. So, madami akong tutupiin. Ayan, yung tutupiin ko. Marami. Kababa na muna ako kasi magluto ako ng ano.
Mommy,
Yeah? Spaghetti. What?
look at this beautiful mountain I'm about to make.
That's wrinkle. Yan. Wrinkle. Make sure you have to
I know.
fold it good.
And I have to match the socks.
Yeah, match the socks, put it in one
Can I
socks.
do it like this? Like,
Yeah,
that's how I do it.
yeah. I have to go down. I'm gonna cook spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yep.
Mom, I did it.
You did it?
Yeah, look.
Ooh, good job. Follow the line.
It, ooh, the
Wow.
dog.
Nag-practice si Sawyer, guys, ng ano, ng drawing. Nagti-drawing siya pero naka-trace. Mayroon siyang pina-follow na line.
Look, I did it, Mom.
Wow, good
Dad
job.
did it.
Good job, so.
I'm done. Oh,
Wait, let's see.
How to do? Yes, I did it right here.
Wow.
I did it right here, Mom. Look,
See?
I did all of it. Yes, that's easy.
Wow.
That's easy, Mom.
That's easy?
Wait.
Ooh, easy lang daw sa kanya. Not like that lagi.
What would you do it, Mom?
In your finger.
What would I do it?
Like that.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
What should I do next, Mom?
Here.
Here?
Trace it.
No, I want this one.
Okay.
What I
Nai-erase din yan siya, guys. Natutunaw yung ano, yung ink ng pen. First time niya mag-trace, guys.
I want to do another one.
Ah, ang tawag ito is tracing book.
What color
Tracing
is
book pala.
red, purple, yellow, green, pink, and white, and white, 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 white,
Good job.
and blue, blue,
Blue? That's not blue, boss.
oh, blue, pink, white.
Good job.
White.
Good job, Suso.
Ah, now I need to do the next one. Mom, what do I do with this one?
I think you have to trace it. Look,
Twist.
there's a tracing line in here. You have to trace it.
Did you have to? Do you remember you did twist it? Do you remember you traced
Yeah,
it?
like this. Okay, trace.
Oh.
Yeah. Put down lagi your... Put down your... Nah! Sama na, uy. Okay, just do whatever you wanna do. Mommy's teaching you.
I want the pink one.
The pink is for girls. Blue is for boys.
I want pink.
No, you cannot.
I'm just gonna use the other one.
Okay. Use the pencil.
I'm gonna use the pencil.
Kambot ni mo dong, uy.
How about the
So, tingnan natin yung aking, ano,
Yeah.
aking pinakulong tubig para sa noodles, spaghetti noodles.
Wait, do
Hindi pa siya kumulo. So, ito na guys, yung sauce. At ang ating noodles ay, ayan na, luto na rin. Hinihintay ko lang na, ano tawag dito, maluto yung ating spaghetti sauce para makakain na sila. Si Shelton at saka si Sawyer, si Bossing Sawyer, guys. Paborito nila, guys, yung spaghetti. Matutuwa yun si Sam kasi niluto ko yung paborito niyang spaghetti. At ang Texas toast na garlic bread. aking lulutuin dito sa ano. Ito-toast ko lang to siya sa tawag dito, air fryer. Lagyan muna natin to. Ilang piraso ba to? Ay, madami pala siya, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 piraso. Kasi ito lang yung magkasya. Sa kabila, sige. Lagyan natin ng tatlo. Yan. Tapos na. Tapos na kami ng kamay. May dalawa pang natira, so mamaya pagkatapos nun ilalagay ko. Lahatin ko na kasi kakain ako ng bread, garlic bread. Itong flowers na to guys ba, Valentine's pa to pero buhay pa rin, oh. Change ko lang siya ng ano, ng tubig, lalagay ko ng asukal, vinegar, tsaka zone rocks para hindi siya para hindi siya babaho. So, ang ating spaghetti sauce ay kumukulo na. Lagyan ko na siya ng spaghetti noodles. Ibuhos ko na. Wait. Wow! Mali. Pa yan. Tumalsik. Tumalsik siya. So, yan. Lagi sa yan. Yan. Tapos na. Balikan natin.
Bro, this is so boring. There's nothing to do. Is it done?
Yep. It's done. Ayan na. Gonna eat, go eat. Gonna eat, go eat. It's still warm. Yan. You wanna eat now?
Sure.
Paper plate is there.
There's nothing to do.
Mom,
You want to?
what's my big blue iPad?
You want?
Oh, I
Ooh.
need my other iPad.
Okay. We're going to eat now.
I want my other iPad, Mom. The other one. Okay.
What?
The other iPad.
Let me know if it's good or not.
Not the big one, the small blue iPad.
Let me know, ha?
Stupid, stupid.
Kain na sila.
Stop, stop, stop.
Hot. You didn't get the drinks? Mm-hmm. How is it?
Yes.
Good? Good job. Good, Shilton?
Yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay.
Sing.
My boss is hungry.
I'm not boss.
Who are you? You're a bossing Sawyer.
I'm not bossing Sawyer.
You're not?
No.
Okay.
I want a drink.
Come on, let's eat
I
now.
want a drink.
Kakain na daw si bossing Sawyer. Mainit pa. Ano yun, nakalaylay ba yun?
Oh my God, this one, look. Baby, I got it.
Oh my goodness! That's too... Guys, nasa umada.
Yes.
Let's put...
Mom, I want the
That kind of looks like the noodles.
Huh?
Like the your noodles.
You don't like it?
The Shein.
Shein!
The Shein. Remember the one that they came out?
Oh,
Yeah, Shein.
you don't like it?
It tastes like no, it looks like Shein.
Eto na.
Mom,
So.
Mom, I want that window on there.
Yeah, I will put it. That's enough?
Yeah. What? I'm gonna mix it up.
What are you watching?
Watching this. I'm gonna watch the Scary Wizard.
Welcome to Chef Barbie. Let's cook. First, we'll mix some
Going to the basketball. Why you're coming back so quick?
Hot outside.
That's the thing. Mmm.
It's get hot.
Hot.
Yeah. But
Is it good?
yeah.
and for dessert, waffles.
It's gonna be so hot.
Let's add toppings.
Oh no.
Delicious.
Mm. Tissue. Yummy?
Good.
Good? Mm. Wala na yung ano guys, wala na yung bed ni Shelton. Kinuha na nung friend niya. Hiningi. Binigay ko na. Kaysa naman matapon pa, 'di ba? So kailangan niya ng bed, so sabi niya kung pwede akin na. So sabi ko, yes, you can have it. So tuwang-tuwa siya doon sa bed ni Shelton. Matagal na niya yung bed. Since pa I think 2 years old yung bed na yun. Pero okay pa yun, kaya lang pinalitan na namin kasi nga si Shelton ay mabigat. Si Carter ay hindi naman siya mabigat. So okay pa naman yun siya gamitin. Ayan ang aking tutupiin guys. Marami. Yan. Yan. Can you put all the toys please in the toy box of Sawyer? Do it now, boy. Because our boss is always playing but never clean up his mess. What is this? What is this?
What?
This one. Is that daddy?
Yeah.
Put back our basket. Put back our basket.